Unknown calls. Spam. Scams. Interruptions at the worst moments. Every day your phone rings, but should you answer? Robocalls, telemarketers, and scam numbers waste your time, invade your privacy, and break your focus. Your phone should protect you, not disturb you. Introducing Caller ID, Spam Blocker, your all-in-one smartphone app designed to put you back in control. Identify unknown callers instantly. Detect spam and scam calls in real time. Block unwanted numbers before they ever reach you. See who's calling at a glance. Take action immediately after every call, save contacts, block numbers, or report spam without switching screens. Everything is simple, fast, and effortless. As your default phone app, Caller ID, Spam Blocker delivers full call control with privacy-first protection. Only essential permissions, no compromise. Stop spam, answer with confidence, and take full control of your calls.